Okay.
So we're taking out the pieces.
Oh, it's nice.
Okay, I might have to read instructions. Back up, Bella.
We don't read instructions.
Yeah.
We do common sense.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
Thank you, Lola.
Yeah, thank you, Lola and Lolo.
Can I see the Jeep? Oh,
Look how cute that is.
I tried not to get your face there, but if your face is there, then
That's okay. I don't care that much.
it's okay. You're already sold.
I'm already sold? What does that even mean?
You're already married. That's what I meant.
I'm already sold? Oh my gosh, what was my dowry? No, don't tell me. I hope it's worth, I hope I was worth a lot.
Just 2 cows and 3 chickens.
I'm not even that expensive.
They say the table is small. Is that the...
No,
Oh.
that is, I think, a booster seat that gets attached to something. This is the table. So this is a table.
Yeah, that's table.
A table.
You have to put
This
that
is the
one.
high chair table. Oops.
Yeah, because when I read the reviews, they say it's small, but that's not really small. That's okay.
It's okay. Yeah, there's nothing. I don't know what kind of kids people are turning out. My kid is little. Yeah, it's gonna be really.
I think the color is sage, right?
Yes.
Sage green.
Same green. I love this color green. Do you like this, Bella? You like it? Okay, so I guess I will have to look at this manual.
Well, the expert is asleep, so we'll just do it by ourselves here.
We don't need a man. Booster feet short.
Yeah.
Table feet. Okay, so one's booster.
Just once you assemble that one, that white one, you have to put that one on top of that to
Yeah.
make it high.
So just making sure. I just wanted to flip through here. Okay. So first step is make sure. Okay, so the little feet. So this one will be at the end. You gotta attach the little feet to this. Oops.
Cool.
I can read. Okay, so we have that. And then 2 is chair, so line tabs on seat bottom. So we're gonna flip this. And then this part. It's going to go here. You see it still?
Bella, I think you swallow your hair.
Okay, so bottom of seat, so that's okay. That goes into. Oh, I'm doing it wrong. So yeah, it should be like this. Loud. Did not like that sound. Okay. Step 1.
Good.
That's the booster. Okay, tray installation.
That one will swing though. It swings. It says it swings. I don't know how you swing that.
It swings.
Yeah.
Hang on, Okay, step something else. Step 3. Alright, so that one's done for now. And then we got this one.
Guys, it's really cute, not
It's so
pretty.
cute.
It's so
It's
pretty.
so cute. I love it. Thank you so much for getting this. Okay, let's see here. Which part's the bottom though? Oh, it's this. Is this the bottom? Okay, I'm guessing this one's the bottom because little.
What? Little feet?
I don't know which is the top and which. Let's see. I'm gonna try this one first because this feels right. Yeah. Oh, I was wondering what that. And then, so this pops out on the inside. You can push out. I assume this is what it is. You push out this part, but I unfortunately cannot reach it with my fingers.
It needs to be more sturdier than that.
Probably, yeah. But anyways, that's cool that you can do that.
Push out for.
The feet so it's stable.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I'll do that. I'll do that in a second. I'll do that after I put everything together so I don't get distracted. Sometimes I do that. So you're doing a very good job just sitting there. Okay, well, we got that part. And then it's time to flip. And then
You have to put that one on top of that table.
yeah, I gotta make sure I do it correctly. Oh, it goes down. Okay, that's cool.
And it locks. It locks also.
Make sure that this is the correct way to do it. The correct facing. Yeah, it looks like it.
Maybe you have to push all 4 together.
No, I think I have them all aligned, and then I'm half reading. Align to 4 chairs, press down on the chair. Click can be heard when each leg is installed properly. Okay. Gotta stand up on my knees. Yeah. All right. Pretty much done.
And it has what is that? You have to tie it so it will not. No, the.
This is, I think, just an extra strap.
And what is that pink thing there?
That's my
Cutter.
box cutter. It's cute.
Yeah.
It's my eyebrow sharpener, eyebrow pencil sharpener. Okay, I think that's all. Let's see, I tried. Line to 4 chairs, a click. After installation, pull the 4 legs of the chair up with your hands to make sure they're okay. Okay, that was it. Well, thank you, Jeep, for making this such an easy assembly. Look at that. Here, let me see that camera. Let's do a 360 view. Plus a dog in the trash. Yeah, can't wait to put my kiddo in that. That's so exciting.
Yeah, take a picture for the thumbnail.
Okay.
cute.
It's so cute. Let's see here. Bella, look up. Good girl. It's not for Bella, but love a clickbait. That's it. Thank you, Lolo. Thank you, Lola. Lucio's first high chair. That's all for now. Thank you. Subscribe.